Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Software FX Academy. This is your boy, Mr. Walls underscore FX, and I'll be, quickly sharing with you the week review. I'm going to be reviewing some pairs for the week ahead so that we have a direction, we have a background knowledge of what we are looking up to in the week to come, so that we know how to plan our trades. And that I'll be doing in this video. So let me start with boom 1000. Let me start with boom 1000. Here is boom 1000. Um, um, this is a 4 hours outlook. Okay, you can see here. You can see here that we have a break of structure at this point. We have a break of structure at this point. Price created a low and came back to create another high. Then after creating the high, what can we see here? There is another break of structure. There is another break of structure at this point. So what am I expecting price to do? To return back up to come and activate from this mitigation point here, which will as well coincide with the trend line. You can see the trend line that is coming from here, which will as well coincide with the trend line and drop further down. So in the week ahead, I'm looking for the sell opportunity on 1000 that will actually last for a very long time, because I expect price to return back up and activate, even if it's just a tap into this mitigation point, then drop further low. So that's what I'm expecting on 1000 in the course of the week. So let's go to the next where it is volatility 101x. You can clearly see here on 8 hours time frame that volatility 101x has broken structure. This is a break of structure. These are BOS, broke structure, and it has, whenever there is a break of structure, price will always create another block, which we always expect price to return back there to, to activate a larger sell or a larger buy, as the case may be. And that is what has happened there. Look at it. This is a break of structure. You can price push down. Then I expect price to return back here to, to mitigate from here, as some people would call it, but I like to call it activate, to activate a larger sell, which will drop price further down. That's what I'm expecting on volatility 101x. So I expect price to come to this range, then I'll take my sell and shoot it down to 8394. That's what I'm expecting on volatility 101x in the course of the week. And this is step index. This is step index. Okay, looking at step index closely, step index, looking at it closely, you can see price has been pushing down, for some days now. Price has been pushing down. But when you look at this place, we have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure around this point. Okay, we have a break of structure. Price has gone up on 8 hours time frame. Then price has gone up on 8 hours time frame. Then what can we see here? Price actually returned to this point. Price returned to this point to activate the buy, like a kind of mitigation point, because price has broken the structure, created this high, then came back to activate the buy, So in the early hours of Monday, or probably late hours of today's Sunday, because today's Sunday that I'm making this video, I'm expecting a push up. I'm expecting a push up on step index. Now let's go to a lower time frame to see what is happening there. My entry time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame. Let's go and see what is happening on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, we can clearly see on 15 minutes time frame that price is creating a kind of reversal pattern. Price is creating a reversal pattern on, on 15 minutes time frame. Price is creating a reversal pattern. We have a we have okay, we have a kind of descending we have a descending wedge, which price has, broken out of it in a way, and I'm expecting a further. This is a reversal pattern. When you see it beneath the downtrend, it signifies a reversal pattern. So, and we can see price has broken out. I'm expecting to see some kind of maybe a rejection candle and something that will give us, a momentum to the upside, because you can clearly see, like on the time frame, I told you there is a break of structure to the upside and price has returned to mitigate. And this is a confirmation that price wants to go up because it gave us a reversal pattern, a bullish reversal pattern, which we can see if I have a bullish momentum here, a break of structure, probably to confirm this move, you can just wait for another 15 minutes break of structure, wait for price to, come back to create a kind of, create high, come back to create a kind of low, then you can now shoot to the upside. Like, okay, let me create what I'm expecting with a polyline. I'm expecting price to break out properly, then come back and probably create a low, then we look forward to shooting it to the upside. And you can as well, make this area, you can as well make this area your first take profit. Then probably you would have broken even and wait for price to, roll, and while you ride it risk free. So let's go to the next pair. Okay, this is the almighty V75. This is the almighty V75, and I want us to pay a close attention to V75. Let me scroll to the back. Let me just quickly show us how price has been behaving for a while. Let me show us how price has been behaving. Okay. Now, looking at it closely, look at what happened here. We have a range, then we have a break of structure to the upside. Look at this strong move. I want you to look at this strong move to the upside. Look at the strong move. Price was just selling profusely for days. It was buying profusely for days. This 8 hours time frame, price was buying profusely for days, and that's what happened here. And after the buying, what did you see happen? Price started creating a kind of descending wedge, until price came back to, to mitigate from here. Like I said, I love to call it activate. But price came back to this mitigation point, and you see another strong push to the upside, which is far more than this. So now, looking at price closely, after price has pushed to the upside, what did we see again? Price came down in form of a descending triangle here, and after the descending triangle, we have a breakout to the upside, a very impulsive move to the upside, and price created another block after the impulsive move to the upside. Price created another block, and what did we see happen? Price found its way back to this other block, although it took a number of days, even weeks, for price to actually get back here, and price came back, mitigated from here again, and what did we see after the mitigation? A strong impulsive move to the upside, and this impulsive move has been defiling all attempts to sell. It has been defiling all attempts to sell. Now let me drop it to 4 hours time frame for you to see clearly, for you to have a clearer view of what is happening right here. Okay, look, before price moved to the upside, price created a reversal pattern. This is one of the confirmation to actually know whether price is going to respect another block or is going to disrespect it. When price is approaching another block, and you also have, like I told you, I'm a smart money trader with a price action blend. So I use everything, to find reasons for me to move in a particular direction. And look at what we have here. We are approaching an order block area, and price gave us a reversal pattern. This is a descending wedge right into the order block area. And what did you see from there? An activation from here, a breakout of the descending wedge, and we have seen a strong push that has defiled all attempt to sell. We have seen a strong push, but I believe at one point in time or the other, price should come back and create a kind of low before the movement, even if it wants to go to the upside. So I'm looking at this point of interest. I'm looking at this point of interest because if you look at it deeply, that's where the move actually started from here until we have this BOS and price came to activate. So I'm looking at this point of interest. Probably price will give me some kind of sell momentum there, like in form of giving me a sell pattern or a break of structure to the downside. And if it's not happening on this, because this momentum is very strong, and from what we are seeing, look at this, this is a very strong resistance area. I believe price is actually clearing the liquidity above here, and this might be our sell point, but we have to look for more confirmation because, like I said, the momentum is just too strong. It's just too strong on volatility 75 buy. So I'm just expecting to see what our price will react from here in order to make a decision. But meanwhile, I'm not looking for a sell opportunity on this until this area, or probably I have another point of interest above that, or until this very zone that I have up here. Until this very zone that I have up here. So I'm looking at these two areas. This my point of interest area and another one that I have up here. But I know at one point in time or the other, the price will have to drop, probably come back and mitigate this point before going up higher. Because looking at my MetaTrader 5 or my weekly time frame on my MetaTrader 5, I can see that the weekly trend line has been broken. So I'm waiting for price to just, close above the weekly trend line and give a kind of retest on it. Then we know price is all out to, all out to go and create not to go and create the high, to go and create an high, which will break all other highs on VIX 75. So, but meanwhile, we are still watching and looking at what price is doing at this point, but you can see the strong move. But I know at one point in time, price will surely drop down to come and mitigate this point, then can shoot up higher from there. So we are observing and seeing whatever is going to come up, whatever price presents to us, that's what we go with. So this is GBP USD. GBP USD has been given a bearish movement, and these are break of structure. Price has created an order block. I expect price to come back, activate this other block, then shoot further down. That's what I'm expecting on GBP USD in the course of the week. So if I'll be selling GBP USD, I'm waiting for price to come back to this area. Then this is where I want to look for opportunity to sell. This is where I want to look for opportunity to sell. Then Euro JPY, we have a break of structure. Then, like I told you, whenever there is a break of structure, price will always create another block. And these are other block areas. So probably in the course of the week, I'm expecting a pushback to this area. Then we look for selling opportunity and shoot it to the downside. And shoot it to the downside. Now, the last but not the least is Euro NZD. Okay. Euro NZD on daily time frame, we have a break of structure. These are other block, and price has created this low. Then I believe this price has returned to mitigate from this point in order to shoot further down. So we can even see, look at the slight rejection we are seeing before the close of market on Friday. So I'm expecting more reactions at this point. and look for selling opportunity of Euro NZD at this point. And you can just have 1.6100 as your first TP, while you go further down, because I expect price to actually drop further down on this. So if there's any other pair you have in mind and I've not talked about, you can as well send me a DM or drop a message on our Telegram group so that I can actually tell you my bias on that pair, and we can actually know what we are looking for in the week ahead. But if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to support us. Don't forget to support us by just clicking the subscribe button and like our videos, and probably share to your friends so that they can benefit from our free analysis. And if you actually don't mind following our free signals, check the description box. You are going to see the link to our Telegram channel where I drop my free signals and analysis on a daily basis. You can as well take advantage of that, and every of our other services will be posted in the Telegram group as well. Please kindly do that, follow and take advantage of all of our services. So we look forward to seeing you again as we'll be dropping valuable content right here. So just click the notification bell in order to be the first to know whenever valuable content like this are dropped. Thank you for supporting us so far, and thank you for believing in us. Peace out.